Hello and welcome to another Craft Ninja video. In this video, I'm gonna show y'all how I label my washi. Now, this is a perfectly good storage solution for your washi, but I store my washi a different way, so sometimes I forget which washi is in which collection, and when it's all out and loose, I don't remember. So I use this lovely kind of vintage Brother labeling machine to put labels on the inside of my washi. So let me zoom in so y'all can see the screen and how I set it up. Okay, so first I'm gonna have to clear it off. Clear it out. So for the first line in my washi tape, I write who the producer of the washi was. So in this case, it's Teresa Collins. And then I hit enter, and then on the second line, I write what washi tape it is. So in this case, it's floral. And because sometimes it's hard to find things later on the internet, especially with things that tend to be older, I also like to put like the product, well, the product code that goes with it, like the thing that goes with the kind of SKU and whatnot. So that just helps organize things and whatnot. So floral, and then shift, and then I'm going to do it in the parentheses washi tape, which is WT, and this is 1002 parentheses, and then that, and then I'm going to print that out how many times. It's going to be the number of washi tape in this collection. In this case, it is 5. So we're going to print 5 of these. Now, the Brother labeler puts these little dots over where you want to cut it. I'm going to want my cut to be much, much closer to the name because I don't need to have all that extra white on the inside of my washi. And it just makes it that much harder to stick inside. So I pull off the backing and then simply just find the inside and then just stick it in. Now, some washi tape companies do have the roll that is printed so you know who made it. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. I think this is more of a vintage Teresa Collins washi, so that is how I do it. I just put it on the inside, and that way I never forget who made this washi and what collection it was in. Because, you know, sometimes when you're using your washi tape and you just get confused, so now always remember what collection your washi tape came from.